Hey guys, I'm Alex Dow, and welcome back to 3D Flag Training, The Basics. This is video 3, creating cloth objects other than flags. If you just started this course, you can follow along by opening up the video 3 Start project. If you came from video 2, we'll reset our flag position by entering 0 into the X, the Y, and the Z position. Great, now we're all in the same place. So, the 3D Flag plugin lets you create 5 different types of cloth objects: single pole flags, double pole flags, hanging banners, curtains, and backgrounds. Since each of these flag types have different flag pole configurations, it makes sense that we have a menu called Set Flag Pole that you would use to control it. These options will make big changes to your flag, so it's a good idea to pick the type of flag you want first. By default, when you first add a flag, you get the single pole short option. When we choose one of these other single pole flag options, like medium, you'll see the flag pole gets longer and thicker. So each one of these menu items changes many different values. All the settings can be changed individually, but that's a different lesson. For now, just understand that these can be used to quickly get you in the right ballpark. The next cloth object is double flag pole. This supports the flag by both sides and makes it easy to read whatever you have written on the flag. The third cloth object is a vertical hanging banner. Let's select the hanging banner option, and we see we get a horizontal pole and the cloth dangles down below it. Notice our wind is coming from the left and is also strong because that's what a normal flag needs to look good. But it's too much wind for a hanging banner. So let's come down and reduce the wind speed to 5, and then go to the direction presets menu and change the direction so it's pointing down to make it fit with the cloth type. The other option would have been to do a double pole hanging banner, which is another menu item right here. For this one, you get a pole on both the top and the bottom. If you make a hanging banner, you might also want to have a cap on both ends. Right here you see an end cap, but there isn't an end cap here. So if you look at the controls, you can see that the top cap is set to ball, but the bottom cap is set to none. Notice in the top cap menu, we see we have a bunch of options, and we can select a different one like this Queen's ornament. That's really cool looking, right? Now for the other side, we'll click on the word none, and since we're working with the banner, we'll choose any bottom cap that starts with the word banner. To keep it symmetrical to the left side, we'll also choose the Queen's ornament, and now we have a cap on both sides. Cool. You'll notice that the program comes with a lot of end caps to choose from, and it even lets you import your own, so have fun experimenting with these. Next, back in the flagpole section, we can make a curtain. We'll cover more of this in a later video. And we also can create frames for your cloth which have 4 poles, or a background which has no poles. To end this video, let me show you how to set up a waving background. If you haven't done it already, start by selecting background. Notice it doesn't fully fill up our comp, so what do? Well, remember, 3D Flag is a 3D program and can talk to the After Effects 3D camera. This means we can come up here and create an After Effects camera by going to Layer, New, Camera. We'll select the 50mm preset and click OK. Then choose our camera move tool by holding down on the camera button and selecting Track Z Camera tool. Now, click and hold in the middle of your comp and move your cursor up to move closer to our background cloth. Since we're using all of our comp, if your computer isn't fast enough, we'll click twice here to put the layer in draft mode, and when we hit play, we see our background cloth wave very nicely in real time. That's it for video 3. Stick around for video 4, where you'll learn how to create your own custom materials. See you soon.